Hi, my name is Robert Coker. I am a professor of biology, clinical nutrition, and exercise physiology at the University of Alaska Fairbanks. The title of my presentation is Nutritional Strategies for Metabolic Health and Aging. We know that the senior citizen population is expected to double to almost 100 million people in the United States over the next 40 years. We also know that Alaska has the fastest growing aging population in the U.S. This is important for a number of reasons, but in particular, aging increases the risk of muscle loss and obesity. Both of these are linked to an increased risk for metabolic disease and disability, not to mention an overall reduction in the quality of life. In 2013, I co-founded Essential Blends, and we applied for and received several small business innovation and research and technology transfer grants. In doing so, we worked very hard to develop an essential amino acid formula that overcomes anabolic resistance, or the root cause of muscle atrophy with aging. We are now conducting our first randomized clinical trial using our formula in the elderly at UAF. This is a first for Alaska. Over the course of 24 weeks of weight management, we will establish the efficacy of our formulation in helping older people preserve their skeletal muscle. This effort has been funded through the National Institutes of Health Center of Biomedical Research Excellence Grant. In fact, our new Center for Transformative Research in Metabolism is leveraging decades of work in hibernation physiology to applications in clinical care. Finally, our connection with the University of Washington Institute of Translational Health Sciences and Northwest Participant Clinical Interactions Network will help us expand our ability to improve health throughout the West and the United States. Thank you very much.